Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comments, share, and hit the notification bell for more updates. For today's video, I am going to show you how to do a proper kneeling push-up. Place your hands on the ground, shoulder width apart. From your knees, lower your torso to the ground until your elbows form a 90-degree angle. Push back up with the palms of your hands. For standard push-ups, first, begin with your chest and stomach flat on the floor. Second, exhale as you push from your hands and heels, bringing your torso, chest, and thighs off the ground. Third, pose for a second in the plank position. Keep your core engaged. And last, inhale as you slowly lower back to your starting point.